going on, everybody? Your boy Lefty here with the Elite RC Productions crew here. We are in Wesley Chapel, Florida at the grand opening of the Hobbyton Track, the SO Raceway, having their grand opening race this weekend. We're here to be a part of that. Lance is on the RD, Danny Paz is doing some streaming and some cameras, and I'm just enjoying myself. Even got a chance to go on the track today. There's Kevin Abbott just walking right there. The racers of Florida have been very excited about this track opening. It's a huge hobby shop inside. We're gonna take a little tour of it, show you guys the track, show you the hobby shop, and come with me. Let's go. All right, so in this, I don't know what size, how many square feet this building is, but it's huge. It's absolutely air conditioned. We got some really good bathrooms over here to my right for men and women. Absolutely, trust me, I've used them. We're gonna take a little walk around, show you some of the RC stuff here and some of the other products that they have here really quick. Then we're gonna go into the actual clay track. But right here, you got some Warhammer stuff here. This is pretty cool. I guess we're gonna have some Warhammer games and stuff like that. Not too familiar with Warhammer, but that stuff looks pretty cool. We got a Mini Z track right here, who I did actually drive for half a lap yesterday. Hey buddy, how you doing? You want to drive some Mini Z? I know you do. So here you have a nice little Mini Z track. I was told they're gonna make it a little even bigger, maybe with some elevation as well. Oh, it's Mini Z. We got some Mini Zs over here actually. We got the Mini Z buggy, Mini Z all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. We got the Red Cat hauler, that's pretty cool. We got some, I'm not sure if there are Mini Zs too. Wow, those look nice. Very nice. They've just kind of opened this up about a month ago or so. So they are stocking up on everything. It is a huge place, as you can see. It's not just about RC stuff here. They have Legos, they have model stuff, all that type of stuff here. But let's have a look at some of the stuff they have. They have some Kyosho. Oh, my dream to always have this when I was a kid. The USA 1. Oh, we got the Pro Moto X, Traxxas TRX4. I think what's the XRT? Actually, there's an XRT over there. What else we got? Oh, here's some race kits right here. We have the drag kit and a short course truck by Associated, their T64, B742. So we do have some racing stuff. Come on, Danny, let's go down this way. Excuse me, everybody. Then we come in. You know, this is obviously a hobby shop, so lots of ready-to-run stuff, lots of Traxxas, lots of Horizon stuff. They'll have some racing stuff as well as things get better. Got the Rival MT8. I actually wanted this myself. Looks like a good kit to play with and have fun with. The 1970 Chevelle. I like that. Let's go down to Traxxas aisle because I drool over Traxxas stuff, especially the big X Maxes and stuff. So they got some sledges. We got obviously some rustlers over here. Of course, the iconic Slash. So if Danny can, we just throw him the Slash right here. Rustler. Then we have the Slash right here. This is a great class to start out with. I know Mark Santeria is doing his spec Slash class. Then we have this beautiful piece of machinery right here. If anybody wants to get me a Christmas gift, this would be it. This would be it right here. Really nice, really nice. Let's have a look. They have a wall. This is the cashier place. Of course, we got Kenneth Setzer working. He's actually racing. Here's the proprietor of the facility, Mr. Anthony. They are stocking up on their parts here as well. This is their parts wall. Then we have some electronics right here, some batteries. They used to be a Hobbyton somewhere else on a much smaller location, and they just moved here. We got some Exalt stuff in there, ProTech batteries. Obviously, a lot of Traxxas, Gens Ace, high-tech, ProTech stuff. So they are stocking up pretty good. Let's go over here, Danny. Let's show them some techno stuff, some more RC stuff. We got a Serpent, ready to run. E-Buggy. I heard that E-Buggy is really good. Techno stuff. A Mugen, some Tamiya kits as well. And then we come down into this type of stuff. Oh, we got an Inferno. Is that a ready to run? That is a ready to set. These look great. These Tamiya 14 scale RC tractor trucks, really nice. I would get this one, like the Optimus Prime looking one. Subaru Brat. Woo, a Yokomo RTR. Woo, that would be cool. That would be a cool project. Buy that and race it at this track. That would be a very cool project. That looks cool, dude. The Audi. I love Tamiya kits. Ooh, I didn't even see this. I like that. That's nice. Wheelbase Charisma. Okay. That looks like the A-Team van.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it looks like. Some nano sports stuff. All right, down here we have the TLR section. So this is the Horizon section. It's kind of, they're still building, like I said. We got some Corrali stuff here as well. Corrali's still making ready to runs. We see Thomas Musso actually racing the Corrali over there in Europe. They're coming out. This is what I would like to, if anybody's in the mood, something big and giant like this. That'd be awesome. I love that. We got a TLR 8X kit, 8X Truggy kit. We got some ready to run stuff, more armor stuff over here. Like I said, they are building a Typhon. Seeing a few of the TLR tuned Typhons doing well at races here in the Southeast. Here's their Traxxas wall of stuff. You can see the track inside of there. We're gonna go in there and have a look as well. Down this aisle, we got some Losi Pro Moto X's. We got a few tires and stuff like that. But still stocking up on lots of things. Lots of, here's some Traxxas tires, Duratrax tires, and even some AKA tires down there as well. Here's your bodies and all this type of stuff over here. So this is all our car section. We got some RC boat stuff over here. This is pretty cool. Actually, the shreddy jet boat. I have a jet boat home too, but not as cool as that, but it's cool. You know I'm a boat freak. I'm not sure. Oh, first time I'm seeing that. The Volantex RC Atomic SR85. Never seen that before, but pretty cool. The 17 powerboat, that looks cool. Sailboat, had a sailboat. The Spartan trailer. That is so nice. I like that. I think I would have got that for my boats at home. We got some nitro over here because nitro is a glory. Unfortunately, no nitro being run here, all electric. We got airplanes right here as well. Danny Paz just turns around. We got some ready to bind airplanes, easy to fly. This is probably, I need to learn how to fly. Maybe I don't, but I want to. Really love this type of stuff, like the scale looking airplanes, really cool stuff. We got, construction equipment. So you guys see all this stuff on YouTube. These guys doing all this construction stuff. Well, they have some lower end stuff like here. I believe this is ready to run, or I believe this is RC. It might be just a toy. But then they have the RC stuff. That's real, that's fully functioning. But these are expensive. That's like $3,000. That's $2,000, and that's $2,700. So that's expensive. That's for big boy toys. We got some Scale Electric stuff. I can't remember what it's Scale X. It's like not slot cars, but you know what we had when we was a kid. Cool stuff. We got a whole bunch of stuff for train sets, dioramas here, everything. You can see down this aisle. So this is, like I said, it's not just about RC stuff and racing. You got your train tracks right here. Big place we have. Let's go down. We got some, you know what we forgot to show everybody, Danny? We forgot to show everybody the tanks that we was freaking out on earlier on. Let's go check out those tanks. RC tanks. Now, you know I like odd stuff. I can see an RC tank in my future. They have a plethora of RC tanks here. So we have these a little bit cheaper, a little bit cost effective. Down here, this Leopard looks great. This looks good too. A tank hauler. That is, hold on. I think this is the whole thing. Like this plus that. That's cool. Or maybe this is the truck right here. All this cool military type of stuff. I watch a lot of YouTube with people doing stuff like this. But here's the big bad tank that I would like to get. We have two. We have this one made by Tamiya, 1/16 scale. We have this. This is pretty cool. That's not a tank, but it's a truck. And then we have the Leopard down here. All cool stuff. Stuff that I probably will never be able to afford. So, but it's all cool to look at it. All right. We got some model kits over there. Then we have a whole bunch of Lego and Gundams and all this type of stuff. As you can see, lots of shelves are still empty as they fill up things. They got toys for kids. There we have the Lego section. Over there is some more Legos and models. Big Gundam stuff. So these are models. Some of these are really expensive. I didn't know that they could be that expensive. But hey, you know, everybody's hobby. It's a hobby. You enjoy it. It doesn't matter how much it costs. So the Gundam stuff is pretty cool. I don't know much about that stuff, so I can't really talk about it, but it looks cool. You know, I'm an action figure fan. Legos up here. Ooh, Star Wars That's awesome too. That's a big Lego set. Oh, these are cool. These are like, what are these? I guess they're similar to Lego. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Lots of stuff I don't really get to see. I enjoy coming on hobby shop tours. It's not just about racing stuff and RC stuff, but you get to see what they have. They have some books, kites, little toys for kids. As you can see, if you go, Danny Wilson, this is a huge, huge hobby shop. And they have a lot to do to fill it up. But you know, I know you guys want to see something special, and that's the track. So we're gonna cut from here. We're gonna go out and take you to the SO Raceway. SO Raceway, sideline overdrive, I think, or side drive outline. What is it, sideline overdrive, Mr. Anthony? Yep. Sideline overdrive RC Raceway. Let's go through the doors and check out this paradise. So, as you can see, we got pits all along here. So some of these pits are reserved for people. Dean put them up for sale. Ample space for pits down the wall down here as well, along here. We got people here for practice. Like I said, everybody's excited to be here for this first, I think this is the first clay track in Florida for quite some long time, like fully indoor clay track. Plenty of spit space. They even have space back there that you can put in it. It is AC here as well. It's a little bit warm, but it's not too bad. Remember, the track isn't finished yet completely. But they're gonna build a bigger driver stand. They still have to put all the bells and the whistles. There you can hear Lance McDonald on the mic, booming over the mic. Danny, let's go up to the driver stand and show some people what's going on here. We'll take a walkabout and, ooh, look at that. Look at that, must be Tom Sherman's. Oh man, look at that short course. That's Mr. Sherman's short course. That is beautiful right there, Mr. Sherman. Thank you for the support. I see the NNR sticker on there. You want to run it? I will take it for a drive later. I even been on the track, guys. I wouldn't call what I do driving on the track, but I tried. Here's the driver stand right here as well. So this is a glued surface track. Everybody's happy here. This is a glue track, as they call it. The surface has been sealed with a mixture of water and Elmer's white glue to make it very high traction. As Danny gets some video of the track. Lance is over here in his makeshift RD booth. Huh? In his makeshift RD booth over here. Makeshift. There we go. As long as you're happy. 15 minutes. He did. Danny's stationed over here. And yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful clay track. Some of this clay I believe came from down at Dean's All Out as well. Dean, Kenneth Setzer, and the guys have been very hard working on this track. I know that Lance and a bunch of volunteers came in and did all the pit tables, so that looks great. We haven't have room for expansion here. And hey man, we're having fun. This is the first grand opening of this race. It was undefensible coming on here. Come on down. People are having a good time. The track is good. And if you're ever in Wesley Chapel, Florida, come over here and check out the SORC Raceway. I'm Lefty the Great of the No Name RC Podcast and Elite RC Productions. This is the Elite RC Productions crew. We're gonna go do some 10 scale racing because 10 scale builds the skills. No nitro, no e-buggy out here this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkabout. And if you're ever in the area, come by and check out this awesome track. Lefty and crew, we're out. Whew.